Hey,
what's going on, man? How you doing?
Good to see
How's
you.
everything?
I'm good. I love the city.
Welcome, New York, man. Rainy New York.
Are we cool to lunch up here?
Yeah, right down over here. There's a good spot.
Awesome. So what's going on?
Same old. A little annoyed today, though. I was watching.
Annoyed?
This guy, man. He's on YouTube and he's talking about Amazon, acting like he knows what he's talking about. And you got to see what he's doing. He's making product recommendations to people.
Right.
Specific product recommendations.
Like what?
Like
what?
to the T. Like one was a taco holder.
A taco holder, okay.
Yeah, and you want to hear the best part? It's a taco holder that looks like Thomas the Train.
What?
So think about that for a minute. Like how many issues that'll cause? Trademark issues.
Oh my goodness.
Right? Potential IP constraints, right? There's so many different things.
If people follow his advice, they're gonna get their freaking account shut down.
Yeah.
That's insane.
And he's promising them the world. $10,000 in a month.
Oh my goodness.
I mean, this is terrible because these are the people that really get on my nerves because they give other people a bad name. People who are truly trying to help, help out, and they basically they steal people's money. They get involved and they just take and leave.
You know what I hate about it? The people who buy that stuff, who eat it up, and what they're eating is SHIT.
Yeah.
They end up getting screwed over. They take out their 401k, they take out their savings, they invest in this product, and then boom, their account's suspended, and there's nothing they can do.
They have no money, no product.
Right.
And who are they gonna go chase down? This guy who came and left?
Did you hear about the dude who got his entire Amazon account suspended? Amazon made some public statement about him?
Yeah. So
what was that about?
So exactly this. So he was making false promises to people. This guy was saying you'll
like teaching them how to sell on Amazon, but he's lying.
Yeah, lying, and he's making you promises saying all you have to do is follow these 5 simple steps, and you'll make $20K a month. Just that simple.
It's that easy to build a business. 5 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm a millionaire.
For like 5 years, 5 steps.
Oh my goodness.
Crazy.
Man, I can't help but it makes me feel a little proud. So Amazon invited us to an inside meeting at their headquarters.
Wow.
Why would they do that? Only 10 people. I was one of those people. And I'm not saying that to be arrogant, but it is so freaking validating because when Amazon looks at us, we have a really good relationship with their leaders.
Yeah.
They see we're teaching from our experience. And if business teachers don't teach from their experience, what would you rather do? Learn how to fight in war from a professor monologuing, or actually be in the foxhole next to a general who's done this for years while bullets are whizzing by your head?
Exactly. And some of these people haven't even sold on Amazon. Yeah. They were living in their parents' basement last year. Now they're multimillionaires, but it's only based on the scam that they put out there.
Because they're screwing people over.
Yeah, they're just stealing their money. Man. And I mean, what a difference, right? So you're getting invited to go to Amazon, and these guys are getting put on blast by Amazon. They're done at that point.
Dude, it makes me mad.
Yeah, it makes me angry. Makes me angry.
It's part of it too. What kind of future do you want? Take people's money and run? It's going to catch up with you someday.
100%.
And when you
100%.
destroy your reputation, it only takes 5 minutes, they say, to destroy your reputation, but it takes 5 years to build it.
Yeah. And they're ruining lives.
Yeah. Well, you know what this does? This motivates me, man.
Absolutely.
We're going to freaking bring the best content. We're going to teach everything we can to show people how to do it right. I don't care if the path is longer. What matters is they learn how to do it. And I swear, 20, 30 years from now, we've already made 5 people millionaires. We've taught them how to do it. They're going to tell the world, this is legit, this is how you do it. There's satisfaction in that.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah.